service entry. This is the, I guess, the entrance gate. Who are these people? What are they doing? Why did they get to go in? Slow down. Look at that fucking clown. What is going on? Oh, you got to walk through there. Uh-oh. No, we got to park. Hey guys, welcome back to Sin TV. I got a surprising update for you. This video is being uploaded today, August 2nd, and I'm in Vegas, and right now I'm in my room. Yeah, we'll talk about this hotel a little later, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about the update on Universal Horror Unleashed. Man, watch the video. This is hilarious. Oh, this shit is actually running. I don't think they let anybody in there. Put all my videos together. So cool. Yeah, she is restricted. But you see the plane? What are you doing? They got the screen, right, the ticket booths. Pretty sure they don't have like the misters and all of that stuff.